Good morning, cadets. In the UPSC examination, ordering of words and ordering of sentences are very important. Now, in the case of ordering of words, you have to make a meaningful sentence. Whereas in the case of ordering of sentences, you have to make a passage. It's a paragraph. But here, in the case of ordering of words, you have to see that you make a meaningful sentence. The subject, verb, object, the word order, the standard word order. You have to see that that is being followed. So what does word order refer to? It refers to the way the words are arranged, the sequencing. Let's see the question what is given here. Some parts of the sentence have been jumbled up. Here it's a sentence, but here the parts of the sentences have been jumbled up. In the case of ordering of sentences or sequencing of sentences, there it's the sentences which are being jumbled up. But here it's a parts of the sentence that have been jumbled up, and you are required to rearrange these parts which are labeled P, Q, R, S. There in the case of jumbled sentences, S1 and S6, they are given there. And four sentences are jumbled up, which forms a paragraph or passage. But in the case of this one, it's the parts of the sentence that have been jumbled up. So here you have to see that you make a meaningful sentence. And these parts are labeled as PQRS. Sometimes at the beginning, whatever the part of that sentence comes, that will be at the beginning. Like here in the case of 74 and 75, we see that a part of the sentence is also given there. And remaining parts, they have been labeled as PQRS. But sometimes all the parts will be labeled as PQRS, and you have to see that they are all put in a proper order, and you have to make a meaningful sentence. So you rearrange these parts which are labeled PQRS to produce the correct sentence or to produce the meaningful sentence. Choose the proper sequence and mark in your answer sheet accordingly. So you have to choose the proper sequence. Then after that, whatever the options that have been given there, A, B, C, D, that option you have to find out which sequence is correct, which order is correct. So keep it in mind that at the beginning it should be subject, then comes the verb, and then comes the object. But can we follow the same? That is the question. So let's study, because here in the case of this, it's very scoring. But what is very much required is your practice. More and more practice you do it, you'll be better at this particular question. And here in the case of these questions, your score will be very good. It will be very easy for you to score well. Only thing what is required is you should know how to have a proper sequence of these words which are there in a sentence. So you should know how to have a word order. Okay, how to have a word order. Well, let's go to the first example. That is 74th one here in this particular question paper. If you buy the economy pack, the manufacturers wanting to promote the sales, that is P, which is quite cheap, have devised a number of schemes and to ensure clearance of stocks. Now here you have to begin with if you buy the economic pack. So what will follow that? That is what you have to look for. See, one particular clue that you got in ordering of sentences, that is make pairs. If you are able to make the pairs, then definitely it will be easier for you. So just think over that. What can come? Wanting to promote the sales. Can we use after that? And to ensure clearance of stocks. It sounds that this can go along. This can go together. Now if you buy the economic pack, but after that what should come? That is what you will be confused. But the manufacturers wanting to promote the sales, on one hand sales, and to ensure clearance of stocks. So here after P, yes will come. So once you know that a particular pair is there, then what will happen? It will become easier. Where all options PS has come, PS has come in only one option, that is A. So is it correct? Let's think over that whether that answer is correct. P, yes. So the manufacturers wanting to promote the sales and to ensure clearance of stocks. If PS comes, then Q will be at the beginning. So if you buy the economic pack, which is quite cheap, it sounds correct, isn't it? If you buy the economy pack, which is quite cheap, and then cheap, after the cheap, the manufacturers will come. If you buy the economy pack, which is quite cheap, the manufacturers wanting to promote the sales and to ensure clearance of stocks have devised a number of schemes. So actually here after the manufacturers comma will not come, isn't it? If you buy the economy pack, which is quite cheap, comma, the manufacturers wanting, because wanting is there, so comma cannot come there. Comma should have come, which is quite cheap after that. If you buy the economic pack, which is quite cheap, the manufacturers wanting to promote the sales and to ensure clearance of stocks have devised a number of schemes. So which option is the correct one? So here A, B, C, D is given and we are sure that A is the option which is the correct one. So the correct sequence is Q, P, S, R and A is the right option. So shall we move to the next question, that is question number 75. That is second question. So let's come to this second question. Happiness does not consist. Now consist in rank or position. It is a state of mind who are contented available to those. Now what clue you can have it here? That is what is the question here. So the correct sequence should be PQRS, QPRS, PQRSR and RPSQ. That is what is given there. But remember one thing. Here verbal phrase is the consist. Consist will always follow with what? Which preposition should come after consist? It is in. If that is the case, happiness does not consist in. In is there only in P. Happiness does not consist in rank or position. Where P starts, it's option A or option C. Because in the case of option A, it starts with P and option C, it starts with P. Now here, after P, what should come? In the case of both options, it's a Q. Happiness does not consist in rank or position. After that, what is there? Q is there. So you are quite sure that consist in, that is what is the correct verbal phrase. So that's why P is the right thing. Happiness does not consist in rank or position. It is a state of mind. Now the question comes, in A it is R, yes, and in C it is yes, R. Let's see R, yes. It is a state of mind who are contented available to, no. It sounds wrong. Now it is a state of mind available to those who are, those after that who can come, but not after mind. After those, a relative pronoun can be who? Available to those who are contented. So what is the right answer? So the right answer is C. So right option is C. PQSR. Let's go to the next one. A person, now your person, another's viewpoint, no, P will not come after person. A person limited in mind and culture. It can be that, yes, limited in mind and culture. A person who cannot understand. See here. The relative pronoun will come after a person, right? If it's a human being, man or woman who cannot understand, who can be used? A person who cannot understand. It sounds that R is the right one. So if R is the right one, which should come there after R? So R is there only in B. A person who cannot understand. Now, who cannot understand what should follow? See here, B is the option which is starting with R. So, who cannot understand another's viewpoint? That sounds correct. Who cannot understand another's viewpoint? Now, after that, whether yes or Q. So, it will be yes because we have found that a person after that R should come. So, B is the right option. A person who cannot understand another's viewpoint is to that extent limited in mind and culture. Absolutely correct answer. So, B is the answer which is correct one. Okay, so let's move on to the next one now. 77. Okay, let's see you. The whole valley. It begins with the whole valley. Now we have the whole valley with the date palms. That doesn't sound correct. The whole valley was pleasantly. See, there is subject. Now it should be followed with verb. The whole valley was pleasantly. It sounds correct, isn't it? So is it A that is correct there? That is the question here. Because after valley, if you say that it should start with Q, then A is the correct option. But is it correct? The whole valley was pleasantly green with crops. Yes, it sounds correct. Was pleasantly green with crops. It's correct phrase. Then after that, naturally, and should come and was well planted with date palms. Absolutely correct. So A is the right answer. So you got the clue. You have to work out. So how you can make pear was well planted with date palms. Yes, R after R P should come. Was well planted with. So well planted with what? So with date palms. See, you have to play with your mind. And you have to find out the right word order. If you are able to find the right word order, it becomes very easy for you. Let's go to the next one now. Shall we go to next? The extent. Now the extent of social progress, it can be correct, it can start with P, but is it anywhere it has started with P? P, yes, E has started with P. The extent of social or progress is an important indicator. After P, what follows is R. Now the extent of social progress is an important indicator. It sounds a little bit of indicator of women's participation in various nation building activities. It doesn't sound correct. Is an important indicator of. Now, E is an important indicator of social progress is fine. So we can say after R what should come? P should come. After R, P should come. Is an important indicator of social progress. But it cannot be indicator of women's participation. Is an indicator of, no, it sounds better, is an important indicator of social progress. So the extent, we can say, to what extent women have been participating. Isn't it? So yes will be the right one rather than of social progress. It will be of women's participation. That sounds correct. So I think B option may be right. Just let's think over it that. So you have to use your mind. Like of has come, the extent of. So with extent of will come definitely. Extent in wrong. So extent of is correct. Extent is okay. The extent of women's participation in various nation building activities is an important indicator of social progress. Absolutely correct word order. So B is the right answer. Let's move on to the next one now. 79. Let's take up 79. Okay. Okay. Now we intend. Now we after that. We to Bombay, no, it will not come. We, which consists of 3%, that is wrong. So what should come with that? We intend to shift. Yes, I think we intend to shift because after we, verb should be there. So only verb that can come is P. So either A option is correct or B option is correct. Let's see now which option can come. We intend to shift. Where? Now we intend to shift to Bombay. Where Bombay has come now? Whether A it has come or B? It has come in B. So maybe that B is the right answer. So we intend to shift to Bombay. Now after that, with our family, yes, with our family, which consists of 3 persons. Absolutely correct. So what is the right answer? The right sequence is PRQS and the right answer is B. The right option is B. Let's go to the next one now. 80th one. The wings are so small, useless for flying of some birds that they are. The wings of some birds. Sounds correct, isn't it? The wings of some birds. Sounds correct. The wings of birds only. The wings are so small. Okay, after that also you can use verb. So the wings are small also is correct. The wings of birds sounds better. Because where else of birds will come? It will not come anywhere else. They are of some birds. Okay, it can come with yes or also. So let's try both. The wings of some birds and the wings are so small. So the wings are so small. Okay, we'll try with which one? Shall we try with A first? Okay, let's try with A first. Or shall we try with C? The wings of some birds are so small. Oh, it sounds correct, no? Here, the wings are so small of some birds. Are so small of some birds? No, no, it is not correct. So, A may be the right answer. The wings of some birds are so small that they are useless for flying. That they are useless for flying, absolutely correct. So, make a pair and you'll be able to find the answer. Very easy. I hope you have got the clues. Isn't it? Very easy. Remember that it's a very scoring. Use the logic. And if you are able to use the logic, then you'll be able to give correct answers. So let's go to the next one now. 81st one. The person at night next door sings loudly who lives. Now I have given you a clue. Whenever human being, person, man, woman is there, who lives, relative pronoun is used, what will come? The person who lives. Start with yes. I think C is the right answer here. Just by looking at that, probably we feel that yes, it may be correct answer. How easy it is. It's very easy. But you have to make efforts, isn't it? The person who lives next door. The person who lives next door sings loudly at night. So A is the right answer. P, yes. Now here, if you say that A is the right answer, it doesn't sound correct, no? The person who lives, oh yes, we are starting with who lives next door, Q. Yes, Q, R, P, right. Yes, Q, R, P is there, C. Option C is the right answer. Okay, let's go to the next one now. 82. Okay, let's go to 82. We have to provide both people and ecosystems the ability with the water they need. It is a little bit difficult, isn't it? We have the ability. So we have the ability. That sounds correct. We have the ability. But R, where? Yes, A and D starts with R. A and D starts with R. We have the ability to provide. That sounds better. A and D. We have the ability with the water they need. I think that doesn't sound correct. So A maybe, so you go with this kind of thing. You play with your minds. We have the ability. We have the ability. Then after that what will come? We have said either A or D. We have the ability to provide both people and ecosystems with the water they need. We have the ability to provide both people and ecosystem with the water they need. This is a little bit, you have to work on that. It's not so easy. Okay, right. We'll go to the next one now. Let's see 83rd one. Okay, we'll see 83rd one. Shall we? Are you ready for the 83rd one? Okay, let's see 83rd one. People from doing something else themselves or reading about it usually learn more than by watching someone else. People usually learn. Yes, correct, no? Yes, people usually learn more from doing something themselves than by watching someone else or reading about it. So, which is the correct one? People usually learn. So, start with R. Either option A is correct or B option. You should learn more from doing something themselves than by watching someone else or reading about it. It's correct. So, people usually learn more. RPSQ. RPSQ. That's correct answer. So answer B is the right answer. Remaining examples we'll see tomorrow. Thank you. Goodbye.